Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to clear WhatsApp cache on Android. So if at the end of this you found this up informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If your WhatsApp has bug and it closes automatically, then you simply need to clear the cache to fix it. Now, to clear your WhatsApp cache, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Android phone. This works on all Android devices. Scroll down until you get to apps, just keep scrolling. Now select apps. Under apps, you want to scroll down until you get to the WhatsApp application whose cache you want to clear. So keep scrolling until you get to WhatsApp. And once you find WhatsApp, click on it. Now scroll down, locate and click on storage. Under storage, you should see clear cache at the bottom right. Then go ahead and click on that. And then hang on, this is going to clear the cache on your WhatsApp. You can now go ahead to reopen the WhatsApp application again, and it should open successfully. So that's exactly how to clear cache on WhatsApp. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.